Hi guys, I'm Banana Man. Today I'm going to show you how to use environmental variables with .env in Nuxt 3. So the first thing you're going to want to do is install .env, which you do by doing npm i.env. Okay, so now after having installed .env, as you can see, the next thing we're going to want to do is make a .env file. Okay, and now we have our .env file. Now we just can make a variable. That would be an example for a variable, but you cannot use a .env variable just like this in Nuxt. We have to define it. And we do that by going to our Nuxt config here and typing in Okay, now after having typed that, as you can see, we have to define it this way via the Vite engine, then defining it. This does not really matter, but this is what you will use when you type in, for example, console.log process.env var1. So we have defined it by making this variable be stringified by JSON with JSON. And yeah, let's test it. So what we can do is just make a console.log and that's it. Now I will run the website. Okay, so I just found an error in my code. As you can see, this says undefined, and that is because we should not do it like this, but instead we just type var1 and now it should work. Yep, as you can see, it does work. This is what we have assigned to this variable. So yeah, if you like this video, then leave a like and maybe subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment about what else you want to see. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!